So today we're going to be working on word problems. So all in this section, all the word problems are right triangles. So you always in trigonometry want to draw a triangle first or your diagram. So in this case, you're doing your right triangle. So make sure you put a little box here for your 90-degree angle, and then we know we're working with a right triangle. So we have a flagpole that's 24 feet in height. So that would be this part right here. So I'm going to write 24 with one tick. And then we've got a guy wire. So that's supporting the flagpole. So it holds it up, it supports it. So that would be this length right here. So it's a wire that supports the flagpole. So that's 29 feet high. And you're looking for the angle that the wire makes with the ground. So that's here. So I'm going to call that angle A. So from angle A, this side length across is the opposite side length from angle A. And then the across from the 90-degree angle, so that side length, the guy wire, that's the hypotenuse. So whenever you work with sine, you're working with sine A equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So that's the fraction you're always going to be working with when you're working with sine in a right triangle. So now you're just going to fill in the information we know. So we know the opposite side length is 24 and the hypotenuse side length is 29. And we're solving for the angle. So angle A is going to be the sine inverse of 24 divided by 29. Now, when I type this into the calculator, you can do one of two ways. If you want to type in 24 divided by 29, and then write out the decimals and do the sine inverse of that decimal, you can. Now, what I do instead is I do second function sine, and then I do bracket 24 divided by 29, and I close the bracket and I hit equals. I get 55.85. So that's approximately 56 degrees.